Hello, hello, and welcome to Maths Fest. So today I'm going to teach you mathematics for grade 9, and we are learning irrational number. Sorry, check, and we are with Akriti today again.
Hello?
Hi Akriti, how are you?
Good, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm also good. So yesterday we discussed about the irrational numbers. I hope that you understood that concept.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will do some questions on that based on that process, which comes in the examinations. Okay.
Okay, sir. So though I'll tell you, I don't. What is this?
Yeah. Tell me.
I don't think stuff like this will come in the examination.
that that
Like,
doesn't come.
but it is
Okay,
still good to know.
then let me know what you want to learn today
No,
apart
so we
from.
can learn that only, but more concept.
Okay, fine. So now since we have already discussed this topic, so I would be more quick on this. Okay, so can you tell me real numbers are of how many types?
Two types.
What are they?
Rational, irrational.
Okay, so rational and irrational. What is the decimal representation of irrational numbers?
What, sir?
What is the decimal representation of irrational number? If I want to define what are irrational number in the form of decimal system, what should I say? It is non-terminating.
Oh, like that. Oh,
Yes, non-terminating. Then what should I write?
repeating.
Non-repeating, my dear.
Oh, you wrote non-terminated. Sir, 1 second. Sir, can I rejoin?
Please, please, please.
Yeah, the screen is blurry.
Okay. And we will be doing some of the concepts of grade 9 Cbse as well from the exemplar.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can very well hear you, dear.
Yeah, screen is better. This
Okay.
is one bad thing about online.
I can't see you, but today.
What, sir?
But I can't see you.
Oh, very tired, sir. I am
It's
sitting
okay.
on bed because my
It's
table
okay.
is
It's okay.
mess. I have to clean.
Okay. So,
Exams start 18th ko, and math is on 20 something, 21st.
and you told me a lot of topics are coming in that, so I won't be able to cover all of
That's
those
okay,
topics.
sir. That's okay. I don't mind that.
Okay. Okay. So irrational numbers are non-terminating, non-repeating. Understood?
Yes, sir.
They neither terminates nor repeats. For example, if I say it is under root 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, square root of 6, or you can say one more pi. One more irrational number is pi. Pi is also an irrational number. Okay, please understand.
Yeah.
The what is the circumference of a circle? Do you know the formula?
Pi r squared.
Then what is the
Or
area of the formula? Formula
area.
for area?
Circle ka?
Yes.
Area is two. Oh, wait. I know the formulas, I don't know which ones they belong to. So I
Then
know
then
there's 2 pi r, then there's pi r square.
so 2 pi r is for circumference and pi r square
Oh,
is for
okay.
area.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I know
Whenever whenever you get confused for to find which formula is for what, apply a simple logic. So whenever there is a area, the unit is in square. Either it
yes.
will be centimeter square or meter square. All right. When
Yes,
it is a perimeter or circumference, the unit is in centimeter or meter or feet. You can say anything.
yes, sir.
Now, how many meter are multiplied in 2 pi r? Only 1. In pi r
One.
square, there are 2 r, means centimeter square. So, area will be pi r square.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, pi is also an irrational number. You might be thinking, sir, if the formula for circumference is 2 pi r, then pi can be defined as c upon 2 r, right? See this?
Yeah.
Pi can be defined as c upon 2 r. Now you will say, sir, you are telling pi is an irrational number, but we can write in the form of p by q. We are having a numerator and a denominator, but there is a catch in this. The catch is,
Because pi is infinite, no?
no, pi is not infinite. Pi is
Oh,
non-terminating, non-repeating, means it is irrational. The approximate value of pi is 22 by 7, or sometimes we take it as 3.14.
3.14.
But this is not the exact value, it is the approx value. The exact value I
Yeah.
can't write on the board because it is an irrational numbers. Irrational numbers cannot be written on any plain paper.
It goes out for a long time.
They keeps on going. They keep,
3.14459.
yeah. So they
2,
keeps
5,
on,
6, 4,
yeah.
3, 4, 5,
Yes.
6.
So if somebody wants to check if your memory skills are good, then there is a Guinness Book of World Record for knowing the value of pi. How much digits you remember. So the world record is for, I think it was Mr. Krishan Chahal from India, and he recited the value of pi up to 40,000 digits in 5 hours
Wow.
without zero error.
Oh my God.
So that's
How
how
can people be this?
that's how the memory is being compared. If anybody wants to say my memory is good, so they ask you to remember the value of pi.
This is why human will always be stronger than computer.
Yes, but the value of pi that the person has remembered was taken out from the computer only.
Oh.
That's
But
it.
then there had to be a human who found that now. So everything is really
You
human.
can't calculate the value of pi. It is being calculated using the help of supercomputers only. But you can remember those values.
But we made the supercomputers.
Yeah, for the memory purpose you can. And now why it is not of that important, but you have to just understand a basic thing that in pi c upon 2r, either of one of thing is a irrational number. Either c is irrational or r is irrational. All right,
Yes, sir.
either of them is irrational, but we take as a purpose of calculations, we take pi as 22 by 7 and r or pi will take as 3.14. That is the approximate value. But if somebody asks you, is pi a rational number or irrational number, the answer is it is an irrational number. Okay, and if you multiply 2 into pi, so this will also be irrational only. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
2 into pi will also be irrational. A rational number, a non-zero rational number multiplied to an irrational number will always give a irrational number. I made you write all those things yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay. Rational numbers are of how many kinds? 2 kinds. One is terminating and the other one is non-terminating, but what it is happening, it is repeating. Non-terminating, repeating. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Easy?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I also told you that the word conjugate in the last class. You remember conjugate?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what is the conjugate of a plus b?
A minus B.
Very good. Okay. So it can be b minus a as well. It can be b minus a as well, depending upon
minus
your
B.
own choice. So if I ask you, if x is equal to 8 minus 3 root 7, what is 1 by x? If x is equal to a minus 3 root 7, what is 1 by x? So what you need to do
Sir,
immediately is,
it'll be plus.
are you telling me?
Huh?
Are you finding this for me?
Yeah, so I was just saying that you have to check that if it's like perfect square, then they only have the answers only have one digit, then you can just put plus instead of minus.
Yes, so I told you that you have to check the square of the first number, that is 64, and the square of the
Yeah.
second number, that is 63, and the difference between the square is 1. So we
Yeah.
can make a point that if the difference of the individual squares of two numbers is 1, then the reciprocal is their conjugate. Then the conjugate is their reciprocal. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
8 plus 3 root 7. And if somebody asks you what is x plus 1 upon x whole square, if somebody asks you what is x plus 1 upon x whole square, then when you add them, you know that conjugate part, negative part will be cancelled. So it will be 8 plus 8, that is 16 square, which will be equal to 256. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
And if somebody asks you what is x minus 1 upon x whole square, then it will be, then you know that 8 and 8 will get cancelled out and this part will be added. So 6 root 7 whole square, which will be equal to 36 into 7, which is equal to 7 into 6, 42, 7 into 3, 21, plus 4, 25. Understood?
Wait. I'll just look at this.
So there are 4 questions that comes from here. 4 questions. This is 1, this is 2, 2 more questions comes. Then I will ask you one, and then if you give me the right answer, then I will ask you some more questions. Okay?
Okay, sir. It's a bit confusing, this one though, sir. I didn't understand.
Which, okay, tell me which part you didn't understood.
Like I got it, but then like 16 squared is equals to 256. That part is confusing.
How
Like
you
as
got,
in, could you get 16 squared?
how high you got 16? That's your question.
Yeah, yeah.
If I add these two numbers,
Oh, I understood. It's because if it's added, then it cancels out one part, and then if it's subtracted, then the rational part cancels out.
are you getting it?
Yeah, okay, I understood. I understood.
I just added these two parts, so 8 plus 8 is 16. This will get cancelled out. If I subtract
Yeah.
this, then minus and minus will get, and it will become plus 6.
Yeah, okay, I got it, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So now can I give you one question then?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So x is equal to 9 plus under root 82. X is equal to how much? 9 plus under root 82. You have to find 1 upon x. This is first question. The second question is you have to find x plus 1 upon x whole square. Second question, then you have to find x minus 1 upon x whole square. Then you have to find this. 4 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sir, root 82?
Yeah, I think I have made some
Wait.
mistake. No, it is correct only. If you are having any confusion, you can write like this.
It's like root 82 is what do you say? It's only a little bit over 9, so 9 point something something.
No, root 82 you can't do simplify. It is root 82
Yeah.
only.
So like okay. So does that mean the 1 upon x will just be the same thing but minus?
No, okay. What is the square of under root 82? Tell me.
Oh, right, you have to square them. My
And-
bad. Then it's just 82. Okay.
And what is the square of 9?
81. Okay, I understood, sir.
I gave you a very simple question.
I just realized that. Wait, okay, yeah. Okay. So when it's whole square, then does the square root still get cancelled?
Yes. Okay, you are getting confused, my dear. Let me explain it to you again. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So 1 upon x will be 1 upon under root 82 plus 9, right?
Yeah.
So I will multiply this by under root of 82 minus 9 divided by under root of 82 minus 9. Now why I did this? Because I want to break down this square root.
Yeah.
Now you might be asking, sir, how can you break down this? So I told you about the third identity. The third identity is x plus y into x minus y. And very important identity, it gives you x square minus y square. So both the terms are square. So if you want to remove under root from any number, the only way that you can do is with the help of the multiplying it with its conjugate. You multiply that number by its conjugate, automatically both the parts will be the squared, automatically will be squared, and the square root will be cancelled because of the square and square root will get cancelled out. So the denominator will become under root 82 square minus 9 square and under root 82 minus 9. So under root 82 square minus 9 square is 1 only, because square and square root will get cancelled out, and 82 minus 81 will be 1 only. So what is 1 upon x? So 1 upon x is under root 82 minus 9. Any
Yeah.
doubt?
No, I got that part.
Okay. Now when you add them, you will get this part will be cancelled out. So you will have 2 under root 82 whole square. Try to
2 under
understand.
root.
Yeah, see this. If I add x plus 1 upon x, okay, what I will get? I will get under root 82 plus 9
Oh,
plus under root 82 minus 9.
oh, oh. I got it.
So under root 82 plus under root 82 is 2 under root 82 times square. So that means 4 into 82. That means 8, 328.
Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it.
You got it?
I got it. I just realized I was being stupid. I
And
got
if you do x minus 1 upon x, it will be 81. No, it will be 2 into 81. That means 18 square, sorry, it will be 324.
Yeah.
Because 9 will be added up. So 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 square is 324. And if somebody asks you what is x square plus 1 upon x square, so it will be 328 minus 2, which is equal to 326. So this is how we get all the 4 answers.
Yes, sir. Let me write this down.
Please write this. If you are having any doubt, sir, how does this answer came, this came, this came, you can very well ask me. Because
Yes, sir.
now I am going to give you another question. All right.
All right, sir. Just a minute. Okay, sir, done.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. Understood every part?
Yes, sir.
Now next question for you. So 10 plus under root 101. X is equal to 10 plus under root 101. I want you to find out 4 things. The first thing is 1 upon x. Then if you find that, please find 1x plus 1 upon x whole square. If you find that, find x minus 1 upon x whole square. If you find that as well, please find this.
Okay, sir. Oh my God. 1 second. Almost done, sir.
Done?
Almost. Okay, sir, done.
Tell me what is 1 upon x?
Okay, so 1 upon x is 10 minus under root 101.
I think you have mistaken. It should be under root 101 minus 10, my dear.
Oh, okay.
Let me see how you found. Tell me how you found 1 upon x.
Oh, sir, I just did it like that, so that's probably why. As in, I found that it's 100 and 101, so I was like, okay, conjugate is just this.
Okay, which number is greater? Tell me, is 101 is greater or 10 is greater?
101, so 101 will go first.
So 101 minus
Okay,
10.
then I got the correct answers probably mixed up, but I'll just tell them anyways.
Yeah. I
Okay,
think
so next one is 400.
so this one you found 400, but this will be 400.
Yeah, probably. I'm not sure though. I'm not sure.
See,
So you can try solving because I don't know.
yeah, take your time. That's
So you
why,
can try solving to double check because I'm not sure.
no, okay, see this. When you add them, what will happen? 10 part will cancel out. So 101 whole square.
Yeah.
So 101 whole square is how much? 2 times 101 whole square. So that means,
That's 404. So I was right.
so not 404, it is 404. Yeah,
Yeah.
404. Yes, correct.
Okay, so I got the correct answers. I just mixed up the questions. Okay, it's fine. And then the last answer would be 402.
Wonderful.
Okay.
Good one.
I got them correct.
So let us do some questions from the book that I prefer.
Okay.
Let me see what you have understood from the number system. So here is a question for you. Every rational number is a natural number, is an integer, is a real number, or is a whole number?
I hate questions like this.
I told you the topic about rational number. Rational number system, you know. What are natural numbers? Tell me.
Natural numbers are all numbers. I know one of them is every number except 0. That's one. One of them does not have any negative numbers. That's all I remember. I don't like number systems.
Please remember this, very important, my dear. So
Okay.
hardly it will take 2 minutes. So natural numbers are the numbers which are represented by the symbol capital N.
Okay.
And if I ask you, please Akriti, start counting, my dear. Start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4,
So
5.
from where you started?
I started from 1.
So 1. And what was the next number that you told?
2.
So that means 1.5 you didn't count it. So they are the counting numbers. They are the naturally counting numbers. Alright.
Okay.
So those are known as natural numbers. If you include one more number into this group, it will become a whole number. Now what is that number? That number is 0. So if you just include 0 in that group, it will become whole number. Are you getting it?
Okay, sir.
But if do you have negative numbers now? No. So if you include the negative numbers as well, the group will now become integers. The group will now become integers. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
0 is in the middle, but still the numbers are counting numbers only. You don't have any
Yes.
decimal numbers in between. But if you put the decimal number also in between them, then it will become rational numbers. So rational number means it is represented by q, which are any number which can be written in the form of p by q. Any number which can be written in the form of p by q on two conditions: q must not be equal to 0 and p and q must belongs to integer. P and q must belongs to integer. This is a sign of belongs to.
Okay.
P and q must belongs to integer. So if you can write any number like that, so you can see that any of these numbers can be put a denominator 1 below that. So all these numbers, these are rational numbers as well. But all rational numbers are not natural numbers, because if you say 2 by 3, is this a natural number? No. Is this an integer? No. Is this a whole number? No. So rational number are of two kinds: terminating and repeating. All these three will come under terminating, because all they are having the denominator 1. You can write a number 2 like 2.0 as well. So it is terminating. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So any number, let it be integer, whole number, or natural number, is a rational number. But all rational numbers are not integers. Like Akriti is a girl, but all girls are not Akriti.
Oh,
Alright?
that's a good one. Okay,
Understood? So girls are rational numbers. In that you have different kinds, different names. Understood?
Yeah.
So now tell me, again one more thing. So rational number, apart from rational number, you have irrational numbers. What are irrational? Which can't be written in the form of p by q. P by q. So now tell me, every rational number is?
Every rational number is an integer.
Every rational number, just now I told you, every rational number is not an integer. 2 by 3 is a
It's the other
rational
way
number.
around. It's the other way around.
Every integer is a rational number, but every rational number, every
I need to
Akriti,
write that down. That's confusing. Okay, wait. Every
see, it's like you have to see who is the father of this rational number. Okay?
so
Father in the sense, so let me tell you in a very layman language. So real number is a father of every number. Okay? it has got two sons, or you can say two daughters, whatever name you can suggest. One name
Yeah.
is rational, other name is irrational. Then rational has got four children. No, rational has got two children. One is, we can say, terminating, one is, you can say, repeating. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
In terminating, you have got negative numbers, and you have got, sorry, in terminating, you have got fractions, and you have got integers. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Fractions and integers. In integers, you have got whole numbers. Whole number is a son of integer, and natural number is the son of whole number. Because all natural number are whole number, but all whole numbers are not natural number. 0 is a whole number, but it is not a natural number.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Now tell me, every rational number is what? Is it a natural number? You think of a rational number and decide whether it is a natural number or not.
Whole number.
Which number?
Whole number?
No, my dear. Every real number, every rational number is a real number, my dear.
So wait, is whole number a subset of real?
Okay, you brought a very good now terminology. So you can say natural number is a subset of whole number, which is a subset of integer, which is a subset of rational number, or we can say rational number, which is a subset of real number.
So real number is everything.
Yeah, real number is everything.
Okay.
So every rational number is a real number. The one is which is superset can't be the part of a subset, because every whole number can't be natural numbers, but every natural number is a whole number. Okay, the subset list goes like this. I forgot that you know about set as well. I was using father and son. I should have used subset. Okay. So every rational number is a real number. Understood?
Yeah.
It may confuse you, but once you understand the concept, now tell me a very simple questions. Between two rational numbers, just think any two rational numbers.
Okay.
There is no rational number, there is exactly one rational number, there are infinitely many rational numbers, there are infinitely rational numbers and no irrational numbers. Which of the option is correct?
So they're saying between any two rational numbers.
Yes.
So like, so for example,
Okay, let me make it very
I'm
clear.
gonna guess C.
See?
Yeah.
Okay. So there are
Look,
infinitely
it depends.
many.
It depends.
No, this is the correct options. There are
Okay.
many infinite rational numbers and there are irrational numbers as well. But they
Yeah,
are
that's
saying
what I was like. Wait, what about irrational? Because that's possible.
what's possible? This is possible?
Like having a rational number is also possible, no?
Yeah, having a rational. Between two rational numbers, there are infinite rational numbers and infinite irrational numbers as well.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay. Decimal representation of a rational number cannot be.
Decimal representation of a rational number cannot be. D, no?
Yes.
Wait, D.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. It cannot be non-terminating, non-repeating because that is a irrational number.
Yeah.
Good. Now, very important questions. Okay, your conceptual knowledge. Tell me.
Okay. Oh, sometimes rational, sometimes irrational.
Sure.
Yeah, I
Good.
remember this one.
Okay, so there are more to come. The decimal expansion of under root 2. You know what kind of number is that? So you have to
Oh,
choose.
yeah, it's not it's like it's infinite.
No, which
It's
option should
recurring
which
because you
op
can keep getting close,
you
but you
tell
will
me
never get
you
to.
tell me which option should I select? That's my question.
Oh no. Wait, so you can get close, but it'll never reach.
Which option A, B, C, D?
Wait. You can get close, but you can't reach. What does that make it? Non-terminating recurring. C. See? No, then would it be B? Because I remember saying 1.1.
Okay, tell me under root 2 is what kind of number? It is rational or irrational? Under root square root of 2 is irrational or rational? Tell me.
Irrational.
Irrational. So what kind of number is irrational here? The D part. So
Oh,
non-terminating, non-recurring. That's it.
okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
Good one. Mohit is also online and he told the right answer. Okay. Now it's very tricky part. Okay.
Oh, great.
Yeah, very tricky part. Be careful. You have to see which of the numbers is irrational. Only one option is correct.
Wait. Only one option is correct.
Yes.
So this is not a trick question, Nasser?
That's a tricky question, but you have to be very smart to find out.
No, sir. I'm saying it's not a trick question, right?
No, no, no.
Okay. Sir C.
See, correct.
Yeah.
Under root 7 is an irrational number because it is not a perfect square. Now this is also a very tricky question.
No.
Just be careful.
Sir D.
D, wonderful, my dear.
Oh, thank
Good
God.
one. Good one. Uh, Now this question requires calculation skills.
Oh, great.
Let me
This
see
is
if you
even
can
more.
find out or not. It's a bit tricky. Irrational number between under root 2 and under root 3. I don't know you know the value of under root 2 or not, but you can take the help of the calculator. This
Okay,
I
I'll
can
take
do.
help of a calculator because
Yeah.
any which ways our school
Yeah.
allows.
Tell me which of the option is correct.
Okay.
See, some values you must also remember as well. Root 2 is 1.414. Approx value you should remember.
Yeah.
Under root 3 is 1.732. So you have to find a number here which is in between both of these two numbers.
Yes, sir.
Why you are taking so much of time, my dear?
Wait,
See,
sir, 1 second.
a number between 1.4 and 1.7, you can easily see 1.5 is there.
Oh my God.
I don't know what you're doing.
Even I don't know what I'm doing.
See, I told you, I gave you the hint, I gave you the value as well. I think you are not looking at the options correctly.
Yeah, I feel like I'm just kind of forgetting because they look too small. So I've been like, wait, how did they get these two A, B? So I'm like forgetting about C
No,
and D.
okay, yeah, you have to see the options as well. So it's a very
Yeah.
easy question. The option was C. You don't need, I told you already only one option is correct. So if you find the correct option, don't need to look for the other option as well. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, very important question here.
Oh, great. Oh no.
No, really, it's very important. And let me teach you some concept on this as well.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so a very good concept now, and you will be surprised to see this. You know, 0.9 bar. If I ask you what is 0.9 bar in a fraction part, can you guess what it will be? 0.9 bar.
99x is equals to something over 9. Wait.
See this. So you can take it as x, right? You can take it as x.
Yeah.
So 10x will be equal to 9.9 bar. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Let us subtract. Let us subtract. Good one,
So
Adil.
9x is equals to.
So 9x is equal to 9. So x is equal to 1.
Wow.
What was x? 0.9 bar. And it came out to be 1.
1.
Okay.
Because
The first time that when I saw this, I was very much surprised. And then I came to a conclusion why it is being happening. So why it is happening? So if I ask you, can you tell me what is the difference between 1 and 0.9 bar? You can never be able to tell me.
yeah, there is a difference, but you can't really describe it. Like
There is no
it's
difference.
there.
There is no difference. So they both are same only. Because if you ask a God as well, the God will not be able to tell you the difference between 1 and 0.9 bar. Because 0.9 bar is 0.99999 and it goes up to infinite terms. And when you subtract 1.000, so from where you will start? Hardly if you do 0.0000, that is equivalent to 0 only. So if there is no difference, they both are equivalent only. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So such things are negligible. So we take it as same as well. So if 0.9 bar is 1, can you tell me what will be 1.9 bar?
2.
What will be 2.9 bar?
3.
Now the question comes in front of you. It is 1.93 dot means it is going on like this. This is 1.9 bar only. Which of the option is correct?
2.
Wonderful. So the option C.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Moving on to the next question. Very beautiful question framed. Tell me. Which option is correct?
3 root 3.
3 root 3 C.
Yeah.
Good one. Now this is also a very beautiful question.
Wait, actually, this is a good question. B.
B?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Good one. So you took 5 out of this 5. See, how you did, I don't know. But let me tell you how we can do it.
Okay.
So we can break down this under root 10 as 5 into 2 and this 15 as 5 into 3. So under root
Yeah,
5
that's how I did it, sir. 5 outside, then 3 times 2, 6.
good one. The number obtained after rationalizing the denominator. Now here is a beautiful question for you. Do it.
Wow, okay, wait, I actually have to solve this one. So I think it's A.
Okay, you didn't do, I think.
No, I got the numerator part, so I know it's
Okay.
gonna be root 7 plus 2.
Okay, root 7 plus 2. So 7 minus 4 is correct. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Now these questions I have taught you already.
Oh, what is this? Oh, wait. Wait, huh?
Hmm.
D.
D.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Okay.
Very good. 3 plus 2 root 2. As I told you, this
Yeah.
question has to could have been framed like this as well, but you have to be very smart to take out what can be taken out from that.
Yeah.
Another important question. If you want, I can send you this whole sheet.
Sure, sir. I would like that.
Okay, I will send you after the class.
Okay. Sir, B.
B.
Yeah.
Okay, so 3 root 3 is how much? 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. Minus 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. 27 minus 8 is 19. How you got B?
Because 19.
Okay, they are asking the denominator only.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Important question, do it.
Oh, what is that? No.
So if you want, I can help you out. So under root 32 can be written as 4 root 2. Under root 48 can be written as 4 root 3. Under root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. And under root 12 can be written as 2 root 3. This is what I can help you.
Okay, so that makes it much easier.
And do it.
Yeah. Sir B.
B.
Yeah, 2.
Wonderful. Okay. Do this question. This is a bit tricky question. You have to be smart to do the calculations. The value is already given. You have to
Okay.
put the values and solve it. That's it.
So how do you do root of a root?
Okay. See this. So you should not leave the basics. The basic is if you are having a denominator as under root, you have to remove that by multiplying it by its conjugate, right?
Yes, sir.
If you multiply this by conjugate, root 2 square is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So the denominator will become 1. And the numerator, you see, what is the numerator now? Root 2 minus 1 whole square. So root 2 minus 1 whole square. Now square and square root will get cancelled out.
Yes, sir.
So you will be left with under root 2 minus 1, and then given you the value of under root 2. It is 1.4142. So when you subtract this, you will get 0.4142. C option. Check this out.
Yes.
Did you get that?
1 second, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I think I understood.
Understood?
Yeah.
You know how to do these kind of questions?
No, sir, I don't.
Okay, let me tell you. So law of exponent you have to follow. So if I write a number like this, okay, let me explain it very easily. So if I ask you 2 into x is equal to 4, so can you tell me what will be x is equal to?
2.
Okay, how you calculated?
Minusing x subject of formula.
You subtracted or you divided?
Divided, sorry.
You subtracted, but accidentally you got the right answer.
Yeah, they give you the same answer. So whenever I see 2 and 4, I'm like, okay, whatever I do, same thing.
Now tell me.
3.
Okay. Similarly, if I say you x square is equal to 4, so x will be equal to what? So this 2 will go on the other side, so it will become 4 to the power 1 by 2. The power is also reciprocal. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
When this is known as transposing. So when anything from the left hand side go to the right side, it changes its sign. So if it is multiplication, it will be division. If it is in division, it will be in multiplication. If it is in addition, it will be subtracted. If it is subtracted, then it will be in addition. So here it is power 2. So the power will be 1 by 2. Are you getting it? This
Yes.
whole thing is represented by square root of 4. This is represented, power is represented by this symbol. So if I write under root of 2, I mean 2 to the power 1 by 2. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
If I write cube root of 2, this is spelled as cube root. Then I will write it as 2 to the power 1 by 3. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So if I write mth root of 2, it will be written as 2 to the power 1 by m. Are you getting it?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So now here is a question in front of us. Now how to solve it? So we will write first part, we will write 2 to the power 1 by 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 1 by 4 multiplied by 2 to the power. Now 32 is 2 to the power 5
Yeah. So 2 to the power 1 by 12.
into 1 by 12. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So if the base is same, the power gets added up. So 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 12. So 2 to the power, so the LCM of the 3 number is 12.
Yeah.
3 will go 4 times, 4 will go 3 times, 12 will go 1 times. So it will become 2 to the power 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8 by 12.
Wait, sir, wait. You said that it'll only go 1 time, but 5 times 1 is 5. So wouldn't it be 4 plus 3 plus 5?
Good one. Okay. So 4 plus 3, 7 plus 5 is 12. So it is 12 by 12.
So 1.
So
So
it is 2.
2.
So the option is
B.
B. Understood?
Yes, sir.
It was a beautiful question.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Okay. Okay, so rest of the questions you can do by yourself. Okay.
Yes.
I will be sending you this sheet and you can just try if you have a time over the week. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, let's end the class. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye beta. Take care.
You too, sir.
Okay beta. ओके अभी किसी बच्चे को कोई भी डाउट पूछना है यू कैन वेरी वेल आस्क. हाँ युवराज बेटा आप अगर आप ऑनलाइन हो आप पूछो आपको क्या पूछना है. सर क्लास 9 होते बेटा ये क्लास 9 का ही था. पहला चैप्टर है नंबर सिस्टम वही पढ़ा रहा था. वैसे क्लास 9 की जो क्लासेस होती हैं वो मंडे वेडनेसडे फ्राइडे होती है शाम को 6 बजे से 7 बजे तक. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है किसी भी बच्चे को कोई डाउट है कोई ऑनलाइन है किसी भी टॉपिक पे अप टू 9th-10th का ही पूछना बेटा. 7th 8th 9th 10th का 6th 7th 8th 9th 10th का कोई भी डाउट है मैथ्स में तो पूछ लो. साइंस में 9th and 10th का है तो पूछ लो. फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री का है बायो का नहीं और छोटी क्लासेस का नहीं. है किसी को डाउट? मैं अभी हूँ 5 मिनट 2 मिनट ऑनलाइन हूँ. अगर किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है तो फिर आई विल एंड दिस सेशन. है बच्चों किसी को भी कोई डाउट है किसी टॉपिक पे कुछ पूछना है कोई सलाह लेनी है एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क? एटम एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स चैप्टर कब होगा? कि ग्रेड 9 का बेटा हो चुका है. अभी ग्रेड 9 को इस साल में साइंस नहीं पढ़ा रहा हूँ सिर्फ ग्रेड 10 को पढ़ा रहा हूँ. अगर आपको स्पेशली पढ़ना है आप बोल दो फिर मैं यूट्यूब पे लाइव चला जाऊँगा. एक्चुअली कोई देखने आता नहीं है. आप अकेले जैसे अभी आ गए एक्सीडेंटली तो ऐसे कोई आता नहीं है तो फिर मैं 9th की वीडियोस इस साल नहीं डाल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरी प्रायोरिटी जो है वो 10th वाले बच्चों के लिए है. उनका बोर्ड है तो मेरा सारा टाइम 10th के बच्चों के साथ जाता है. उनके लिए ही मैं वीडियोस बनाने की कोशिश करता हूँ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. 9th में अभी फ़िलहाल सिर्फ मैथ्स पढ़ा रहा हूँ साइंस नहीं पढ़ा रहा हूँ मैं. आपको किसी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पे कोई डाउट है तो वो आप पूछ लो. ठीक है। बाकी मैं बता सकता हूँ आपको, कुछ टीचर्स हैं बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं। एक हैं हमारे प्रशांत सर हैं, वो पढ़ाते हैं केमिस्ट्री 9th को पढ़ाते हैं, शायद उनके चैनल पे आप जाके देख सकते हो। एक आशु सर है, आशु सर भी बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं। तो साइंस एंड फन के हैं आशु सर, उनके चैनल पे भी जाके देख सकते हो। वो साइंस के 1 शॉट वीडियोस डालते रहते हैं, तो उसमें बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं वो। और कोई मैथ्स में कोई डाउट बेटा, या फिजिक्स में कोई डाउट है तो डाउट सेशन ले लो बेटा, अभी डाउट पूछ लो आप। पूरा चैप्टर मैं नहीं पढ़ा सकता, पूरा चैप्टर एटम्स एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स अगर आपको पढ़ना है सच में, तो आपको पीरियोडिक टेबल याद करनी पड़ेगी। मेरी पिछले साल की वीडियोस में आप देख सकते हो जाके मेरे चैनल पे। पिछले साल मैंने साइंस की वीडियोस डाली है, एक पूरी प्लेलिस्ट है साइंस की, बेसिक्स ऑफ साइंस। मैंने 7th के बच्चों को पढ़ाया था, तो उसमें मैंने एटम्स मॉलिक्यूल्स क्या होते हैं, कैसे बनते हैं, कैसे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होता है, कैसे पूरी पीरियोडिक टेबल याद करा दी थी उनको। मेरा पायलट प्रोजेक्ट था कि क्या 7th के बच्चे पीरियोडिक टेबल याद कर सकते हैं, तो कर सकते हैं। क्योंकि हमारे पास डिफरेंट बोर्ड्स हैं बेटा। ICSE बोर्ड के बच्चों को मैंने देखा है 6th क्लास में उनमें ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें डाल दी हैं, तो बस सीखने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती, आप किसी भी ग्रेड में सीख सकते हो। ठीक है, तो अब क्योंकि कोई ऑनलाइन नहीं है, सो वी विल एंड दिस सेशन नाउ। बाय, टेक केयर, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। बाय बाय।